The demands in today's rapidly changing global electronics are ever increasing. With the advent of Industry 4.0, manufacturing is entering a new phase of advanced industrial technologies and automation. Here at Nutek, we are a one-stop manufacturing solution that promises on delivering world-class quality products to our clientele. Our line of products are tailor-made to meet the requirements and expectations of various industries. This is what sets Nutek apart from our competitors. Our ability to design, customize, and integrate the products in-house establishes our foothold as the market leader. Our machines have a smaller footprint that minimizes production space. They also shorten manufacturing time, which increases output. Our engineers design and conceptualize the machines from the ground up using state-of-the-art software. This allows for precise layout of the machine parts and opens up the possibility for customization. We take pride in the fact that we fabricate our materials and resources in-house. The CO2 laser cutting machines can produce microburr-free parts or create complex contours in thick steel sheets with minimal wastage. The CNC machines that we have are highly accurate automated machining tools that can manufacture components to the tightest tolerance allowable. And our CNC bending machines are able to work on small brackets to large machine covers. Quality assurance is paramount to our process. Our workforce undergo intensive on-the-job training and industrial courses that ensure their competency in the tasks assigned to them. All our products undergo stringent quality check that aligns with our vision to deliver products and services that meet customer expectations. We are an ISO certified company that assures our products are not only of the highest quality, but also meet proper environmental standards. As our production is done in-house, we can keep full control over quality and meet delivery schedules. It also allows us to respond quickly to customer requests and market changes. Here at Nutek, we have introduced a corporate social responsibility program that focuses on 4 core aspects: the community, our employees, the environment, and our shareholders and business partners. We believe that a conducive and encouraging workplace is important to the company's growth and success. Nutek's unparalleled services are highly trusted by companies all over the world. With state-of-the-art production facilities and a highly experienced team all housed in a 130,000 square foot manufacturing plant, we ensure consistent level of quality that meet our customers' needs. At Nutek, we will continue to be the leader in providing a one-stop manufacturing solution and keep our promise to deliver only the best.